Ni MBEU njithi kuma kaunti itiganite kuria megwikinyitie muciini munene wa NAIKURU kwamukira itaina ria mbere ria kigina kia NYOTA. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria ikirekariri ria mbere ria kigina giki, mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto ni athingatite MBEU njithi kwiyumiria na kwigwatira mieke iria ikuo ya gwikuria.
Mimi nimefurahi sana kwamba nyinyi mumefaulu, mumehitimu, leo muko hapa na kila mmoja wenu hapa leo utaondoka na shilingi 25,000 kwa simu yako. Na tunafanya hivyo kwa sababu tunataka nyinyi kama vijana wa Kenya mupate nafasi ya kufanya biashara. Kuna mtu atakuambia shilingi 50,000 ni pesa kidogo. Mimi nataka umuulize, kama 50 ni kidogo, si unipatie mingi kuliko 50?
Ruto augite kigina giki kirongoreirio MBEU njithi aria matari na mieke ya kwamukira mathomo makiria. Ruto oho ni okiriire atongoria aria maranyururia mutaratara uyu akiuga matire na uguni kuri a Kenya.
So I want to tell the young people of Kenya, mujipange, mujitume. Pale kwa NYOTA muko na nafasi. Affordable housing na markets na hostels muko na nafasi. Pale kwa digital jobs muko na nafasi. Pale kwa export of labor tumenyorosha muko na nafasi. Kila mtu ajitume, because there are demonstrable concrete opportunities for you. For the first time in the history of Kenya, we are not talking about empowerment of young people. We are demonstrating, we are doing it in practical terms.
Oho Ruto ni augite thirikari yake ndegwitikira ateti eyedi matafania uteti kugerera mutaratara wa githomo akiuga arutwo othe mari na wiyathi wa guthomera o handu o hothe bururi-ini.
Mimi nataka niwaambie brainless bankrupt politicians who want to create barriers, who want to erect roadblocks. I want to tell them the reason why we have national schools is because we wanted to break down the barriers of colonialism and ethnicity. And we will not allow no politician, however desperate they may be, however bankrupt they may be, to erect new boundaries for our children. We want our children to learn in every institution that is available to them in Kenya. Especially our national schools must have access to all the children of Kenya equally.
Atongoria age aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri matongoretio ni Governor Susan Kihika ni matugeretie mutaratara uyu. MBEU njithi aya mamukirite kigina gia shilingi 22,000 na matanyitwo kwamukira kigina kiu kingi thutha wa guthurimo makiria thutha wa kwambiriria biashara ciao.
NYOTA pesa imefika kwa mfukoni.
Ngirifuatira ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya NAIKURU. Njitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.